In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to use the email setup options within your Premium Press theme. So let's get started. To access this page, we log into the admin area of our WordPress website, and under Theme Setup, we click on Email Setup. Here you'll notice we have two tabs, System Emails and Mailing List. System Emails refer to all of the email options that we're going to be using to set and send users emails. Mailing List refers to the mailing list widget that we'll demonstrate how to use in a moment. So let's start with the system emails. System emails are emails that are sent out during specific actions on your website. For example, if somebody registered on our website, we might want to send them a customized registration email. And this is the section where we do it. To see all of the actions, simply click on Email Assignment. And here on the left hand side you can see the action, and on the right hand side we can assign an email. So for example, we have welcome email, and here we can select and assign a welcome email. To create a welcome email, you simply click on the email system emails and create a new email, or if you want to install any of the system templates, simply click on install sample email templates at the bottom. As you can see, by doing that, I've installed these sample templates and I have a welcome to our website email here. We can use the edit option to edit the email, remove the email which deletes it, and we can send a test, which means if we click and send this, we can send us a test email to see what it looks like in our email box. Once we're happy with the email, we simply go back to the email assignment and select that email, the email to be sent for this action. So what will happen is when somebody registers on our website, it will be a welcome email sent to that user, and that will be the email that's assigned to it here. We can go through each one of the options available, and depending upon the theme you're using, different options may be available. The next option down under email assignment is email alerts, and this is a new section that allows the admin of your website to receive different alerts based on different events. So for example, if a user logs in successfully, you can decide whether or not to send an alert. If a user logs in but it fails, you can decide to send an alert. And last but not least, we have email settings. And here you can see all of the default email settings for your emails that are sent to your users. So for example, you can see the from email, so this will be the email address that's sent to the user, and when they open up the email, they can see it's from this specific email address, and the name, so this will be the name usually of your website. And here, last but not least, you can choose to disable the registration email that's sent by default from WordPress. If we go back to the mailing list option at the top, here we have the option to see who's joined our mailing list. We can set up the emailing list options. We can import our own subscribers, and we can send a message to all of the users that are currently active on our mailing list. So let me show you how this works. If we go to Appearances and Widgets on the left hand side, and we drag a mailing list widget into our right side column and give it a title, something like join our mailing list. And for the moment, just leave the rest blank. We'll select a template or a design, so I'll just use this letter format and click save. Now when we go to our website, as you can see on the right hand side, we have this mailing list option. What happens is if a user fills out their email address or enters their email address into this mailing list, their email will be displayed under the email setup mailing list options here. Now it will show whether or not they've been confirmed or not. So let's just go ahead and do that. So if we just add an example, at gmail.com, go. There's a confirmation email has been sent. So the confirmation email options can be set under the email settings, and here you can set the confirmation email options here. This will be the title for the confirmation email, and this will be the description or the content of the email. There is a thank you page link, so you can set up your own thank you page, and you can set up your own unsubscribe link as well. So if we click on email setup again, just to refresh the page, here we can see that the new subscriber has been added. So this is the one I just added a moment ago. We can see that the email address is here. We have the option to remove it, and we can see the date and any name that may have been added. We go to import subscribers. We can also import our own subscribers should we have a mailing list elsewhere that we want to import into our website. And we can use the format, the email address, open bracket, the name, the last name, and close bracket. If we import a few just to show you, so example 1, 2 and 3, and we'll just call John Doe 1, John Doe 2, John Doe 3. Click on start import. We can now see that it's added these new subscribers with the option to obviously delete them and remove them later on.